The next technology that or web page that I use often in my classroom is Quizizz. This is another free application. It's a fun, interactive study. Well, I use it for, I create them for students to study. I call them study quizzes. You can create your own. Where what I really like about quizzes is that you can also search in their database and use others. So I'll go and show you a little bit about quizzes. The kids really enjoy this as well. In fact, I have quite a few quizzes going on right now to do with our regions and social studies, where we're working on learning our regions. So this is kind of my screen. This is what I see as a teacher. So I can find quizzes. I can look at my own quizzes. I can look at reports so I can actually see how students are doing. So here is one that I'm currently running, the Northeast Region Review. We're about to take our test on Friday. So it gives them a code. So this is something that they can do at home on a computer, on a phone, which is something I really like. I try to get parents, how much time do you spend in a car, especially if, you have multiple kids and you're going to a ball game or you're doing this or you're doing that. This is something that is so easy for those parents, to hand over their phone for 10 or 15 minutes, have the kids log in to joinmyquizzes.com, enter in their code, and then they're studying for their test while they're at that ball game or while they're in the car, going back and forth from one thing to another. So you can actually see that these are, the students, and I can look and see how many times they've been on the attempts and their accuracy. And so I just like to see that because I can kind of gauge, I can look who's been studying, who needs maybe some more work. I can run lots of different quizzes at once. You can see kind of my past quizzes and the ones that are currently running right now. The kids really enjoy this. It shows them like a leaderboard or a leaderboard, and they kind of get into competition with each other, and it's fun, and it just presents the information in a really neat way. So I kind of showed you. I'll show you a little bit more like my quizzes. I'll show you the one that we've been working on right now. So it shows you the questions, and you can look, if you were creating this yourself, you could look and see the questions and the answers. You can give them more time, or, I guess I would have to go in and click edit. So at any time you can edit these quizzes and change answers, add more time, create new questions, or my favorite feature is the teleport feature. And so teleport feature, say I want to add some more questions about the Northeast region. It'll actually pull up other Northeast region review quizzes, and you can go in here, and it's seriously the easiest thing. You can just click add, and what it does is it adds it into your created quiz. So you could completely go find somebody else's and just assign it to your kids, or you can find bits and pieces from other people's, you can add in your own, and you can create this unique, what fits best for you and the students quiz that they can either take for a grade, or you could use it more of like as a study tool, as I do. I hope I did a good job kind of explaining that. Some of these applications, I'm sure, as you guys are aware, it's almost easier sometimes if you just get in and kind of experiment yourself. But that is kind of just a quick overview about quizzes and how you use it.